Okay, students of 7th class. Now, today I am going to start a poem that is named as English is Tough. Okay, English is Tough. It's at the page number 116. First of all, I will read the poem. You just listen it, underline the difficult words. Then after that, I will tell you the meanings of the difficult words. Then I will explain the poem. Okay. Now, English is tough. It is at the page number 116. Okay, first stanza. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like cops, cops, horse and worse. I will keep you busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear, so shall I, oh, hear my prayer. So shall I, oh, hear my prayer. Now please look at the page number 117. Next stanza. Just compare heart, beard and herd, dice and died, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain, mind the letter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you. Next stanza. With such words as plague and ache, with such words as plague and ache, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak, cloven oven, high and low. Script, receipt, show, poem and toe. Now come towards the next stanza. Hear me say measles, ills, excise, similes and reviles, scholar, vicar and cigar, solar, mica, war and far, one anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Next page, page number 118. Billet does not rhyme with ballet, bouquet, violet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and wood. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sleeve, friend and fiend, alive and live. The next stanza. River, rival, tom, bomb, calm, doll and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Soul but foal, horn but aunt, font front, won't want, grand and grant. Shoes goes, does, now first say finger, and then singer, then singer, ginger, linger. Now next stanza. Curie does not rhyme with very, nor does furry sound like bury. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but vital. Mint, pint, senate and sedate, dull, bull and George ate late. Scanic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, scientific. Now students, please look at the page number 119. Okay. The next stanza is Liberty, library, heave and heaven, ration, egg, mustache, 11. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover. Camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label. Now students, next stanza. Petal, panel and canal, wait, surprise, plate, promise, Paul. Warm and storm, chase, course, cheer, senator, spectator, mayor. Tour but hour and succor for, gas, alas and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area, Sam, Maria, but malaria. Now students, moving towards the next stanza. Compare align with Italian, dandelion and battalion. Sally with alley, ya, ye, I, way and key. Say ever, but ever, fever, neither leisure, sky, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary, crevice and device, and airy. Now moving towards the next stanza. Large but target, gin give verging, out, out, joust and score, scourging, ear but earn, and wear and tear. Now please turn the page, page 120. Do not rhyme with here but air, 7 is right but so is even. Hyphen, Rofen, nephew, Stephen. Now next stanza. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is appalling, stout and spiky. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strain and stones, stout, solace, gunwale. Islington and Isle of Witch, housewife, verdict and indict. Okay students, now next stanza is finally, which rhymes with enough, though, through, blow or duff or cuff. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Okay students, now we will move towards the homework. As you know that after finishing the poem or lesson, we always usually we do the verse meanings. Okay, so please look into your books, page number 116. Verse meanings are given here. There are many words are given here in the book, but we will do the selected words meanings. Okay, so please look into your books, students, page number 116. Okay students, at the page number 116 you have to write the words corpse, okay, meaning a dead body. सिर्फ इतना ही लिखना है आपने. Next is the corpse. It is the military force or unit. Now over the next page students, you can see there are 3 words I have given you. Please mark these words. It is the cloven, divided into 2 parts. ठीक है. The word that is given here, isle, ठीक है, a passage, aisle, it is a passageway between sitting areas. Okay, aisle, a passageway between sitting areas. Next word is the it is given here, anemone, ठीक है, a flowering plant of the buttercup family. Okay students, these are the words. Now please look at the next page, page number 118. The words which I am giving from here, it is the chalet, a cottage made of wood. इतना ही लिखना है अपने, cottage made of wood. Don't write the explanation. Next is the croquet. It is an outdoor game. Virtual provision of food. Okay, these are the words you have to write. Then please look at the page number 119. From here you have to write the words succor, help or relief. Next word is the array. Its meaning variation. Its meaning a nest of a bird of prey. A nest of a bird of prey. Okay. Now please look at the page number 120. Words you have to write from here. That is abyss, a chasm or gulch so deep that its extent is not visible. ठीक है, यानी ऐसा चास, ठीक है ना, ऐसी चीज़ जिससे जो है कि इतनी गहरी चीज़ के उसकी जो बाउंड्रीज़ है या जो उसकी लिमिट है वो नज़र ना आए. ठीक है, I will explain when I will explain the stanza, then I will explain this meaning of this word abyss. Okay, now next is the indict, to accuse somebody of wrong doing. ठीक है, यानी किसी गलत चीज़ करने पे accuse करना, उसको blame करना हो. Okay students, please write these word spellings in your neat copies, and first of all make the title page. Okay, make a beautiful title page, then do the verse meanings. Thank you, take care students. In the next class I will explain the poem. Okay, and we will do a few question answer also. So please do the homework on time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.